This is our breakfast here. There we go. My breakfast. There we go. Let's go eat here. Our breakfast. Takam-takam. Whoops! Yeah! Mainit. Mayroon din palang Kirkland dito.
Oh yeah,
Kirkland.
Marshall is good for shopping for clothes.
Good.
For clothes,
Ganda.
you can put yung mga magagandang damit din sa Marshall. Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, I wanna go. I didn't even guide daddy to go back. So membership. You don't have to pull your membership out for this part. They don't check it in. They only need to check when you buy it.
Kita card.
Membership muna. Wala hindi membership siya.
Okay. Yun.
I didn't get the membership, so I don't know how to show.
Bakit ganun? Di ba ako nag-member sa kasama mo?
No, that's only Costco.
Di si daddy lang, hindi naman ako.
You can show your bar, but I don't have it.
Ah.
Need to be a membership here.
Just for one. For two. 50 for two. Yeah. Okay.
Well, my husband had an account, and I wasn't able to get a second account. Well, I wasn't with him. He was still in Texas.
No, you're the percent online if you've not been a member before. If you do it online, it's
Check
cheap.
online.
You just have to Sam's membership
Yeah,
deal.
I'll probably.
You want me to check his while
Yes,
you're here?
please. It's under GOC Satoshi.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. So, like, I won't be able to spell that. What is a good deal phone number?
726 582 3183. Yes.
Yeah, because he has an open spot on his if he ever to add you.
Oh,
And you're free.
Could I?
Because once you pay for one, it's free.
Oh my god. Could I add myself?
Do you have your ID? Is your ID the same address and everything on it?
Yes. I think so. I don't know if you updated your address, but we'll see. Repeating.
No, your military ID is good. Oh, is it not?
I'm military here. It doesn't have address. That's my last name.
What is the address?
321
Ay, sasama na lang siya.
Johnson.
Yung kay Gio. Kasi yung sa atin, 50, dalawa na tayo. Kaya nagtaka siya, bakit
Oh,
si
the
Gio
1350.
Yeah.
hindi siya kasama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yung pala, may slot pa pala, hindi lang siya nakapag-register.
Ay, ano.
Ito yung sa atin.
You have to be a member, so you cannot go inside your membership. And it's cheap. Right there. Saan nakalagay dito yung strap, nak? Yung car strap.
Or what?
Kailangan natin yun.
Strap?
Strap para sa panali, sa sasakyan.
Ah,
Kailangan.
Yung TV?
Kailangan. Maniwala ka sa akin.
Para sa
Kailangan.
TV o para sa iba? Parang sa iba, yeah, like for furniture, yeah. Pero pag sa TV, si Tasha yung sa loob.
Saan meron?
Meron silang towel of microfiber.
Saan?
Hindi lagi lang tawag.
No, microfiber towel. Para sa...
Saan? Meron na ako niyan.
Ah, okay. Para sa sasakyan? Para sa sasakyan? Yeah. I use microfiber for the car. That's correct. Ayun, stop. $19. 20.
Ito yan?
Yeah.
Ilang piraso to? 4 pieces?
Ratchet lang ata, hindi kasama yung stock.
Walang tali?
Mali. Ah, set pala yan, set. Meron. It has, set na siya. $20. That's good.
Maganda to. Nasa loob yung ano to. Ay, set na pala to. Matibay to.
Wait.
Baka kailangan mo siya.
Yeah. In our tiniest car.
Kailangan talaga yan.
I don't think they really have anything too strong. Parang yung towel din. It's for wiping your car. It's like towels. And that's that in Duo. Everyone went to the UK. Tina has towels.
Grabe ang mura.
Sugar din yan.
Ha?
Sugar din yan.
Hindi nga, sabi ko nga mura.
Mura ka.
Pampadala sa Pilipinas.
Anda na ba? Pwede.
Yan mo, 20 lang oh, samantalang sa Costco.
Kaya
32.
pag ano din, pag may visit card, time na. Magkano dito? Ganito yung sa Japan, di ba din?
Mm.
Ang mahal, grabe. 100 lang sa Japan.
200.
100 lang sa Japan.
Ganito?
$1?
Oo.
I was like, yeah.
Tara na, kunin natin yung TV. Dala mo ba yung pang-install
Alin?
sa TV?
Wala, andun no.
Asan?
Andun, sa likod ng TV.
Hindi, yung pang-kabit.
Meron, bit-bit yan ah.
Ah, okay.
Kasama na yung Bluetooth. Oh, yeah, yeah. I was there.
Huli ka na.
Look. Look how much?
200.
Di na, no? Ngayon ko yun. Di ba na ako nagbabalik? We're going to buy TV and also the Kaya sa pupunta pa tayo ng Costco, nandito na tayo eh. Ha?
Nakapagkas ka na ka.
Oo.
That's okay. Even if I'm It's not ready. Yeah. I got it.
Lanya. Lanya.
Lasagna.
Ayun, lanya. Gusto mo ba yan?
Hindi, ikaw. Hindi ko alam.
You have to put it in the oven. You have an oven.
Yap yan, maano yan.
Country fried steak.
Ano yun?
Marami ka nabi ano dun eh. Frozen.
Tingnan lang tayo iba. Yung wala lang tayo. Ayan o.
Beef meatball.
Medyo marami kang beef. Ah, meatballs.
May kuryente. Ayan o. Pag nag-spaghetti ka, yan ang lagay mo.
Pero ito sa spaghetti, no?
Yeah? I mean, that's what you use it for.
May kuryente.
Horrible for you. Don't even touch. Ang taas din sa ceiling. All of it. Sabi mo.
Alin?
All of it. Very
Puro
sorry.
preservatives yun.
Ayoko na.
Look.
Have a nice day.
So sweet.
Masarap daw ang prutas dito.
Ayun. Saka mura. Yan o, teras o.
Yung nabili namin ni Daddy na dragon fruit.
Avocado, wala. Ayoko na.
Mandarin.
Tayo. Gusto mo? O, ba't di mo kaya? Avocado.
I like tangerines.
Walang avocado.
I don't know what that is. Huh?
Avocado.
Bukado nandun.
Ito, avocado.
Meron pa ba tayo? Meron pa kayo?
Wala na. Andito.
Dalawa?
$7 lang. Ilaw.
Naman isa. So, 14.
May kuryente talaga. Ang
Mas
sakit.
mahal sa Costco, 9 something.
Ay, 2. You're right, 2 bags.
Baka isa lang din. Saan mo ba parang lagi nalalamig sa haba ng biyahe niya, no? Pinya de, gusto, bigla ko yung kuha ko ng pinya, balatan ko na lang. Para fiber tsaka vitamin C.
Top.
Better than oranges. I don't really like oranges.
Sugar yan.
That's fructose though. Good for you. Good for you. Sugar that doesn't make you
Tara na.
crave shit. Yeah.
Ay,
Para saan?
dun sa ano ko. Yung sa sugar test ko, kailangan ko nito.
Anong battery ba kailangan nun?
Yung ganito.
Ay, hindi, kasi iba-iba yung number niyan eh.
Mga
Meron
matandaan.
2032, meron 2025.
Nalimutan ko. Wala na yung ganyan ko eh.
Oh yeah, super here.
Perfectly hidden from you.
Tapos na yung ganito ko eh.
Yung mani-mani mo ron, dapat bigay mo lang kay Rochelle yun.
Kinakain ko yun.
Kinakain mo ba yun?
Wah, kita mo nababawasan na. Ilang sachet ko yun. Shell. Ayun si Rochelle.
Tayo pa rin ba talaga mag-grab? Pero
I'm gonna go, like, I'll grab the bag myself. Kahit na may mga kasi check yung receipt tapos kumain
Oo
din.
nga.
Saan gagawin?
Kukuha lang si Rochelle ng flatbed. Yung mga parang. Ang tatay yung
Hindi, tinan natin. Tinan natin dito.